Today we talk about how can you restore purchases on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on restore purchases, just click on it. You click here on OK here. So then it's going to restore with you on your Waplog app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.